Okay, let's plug this outlet. Let's plug it in. Put it. Okay, let's push it. Push it. Okay. Let's plug your outlet in. Let's take the other one. Okay, put it. Oh, okay, let's do the straw. Okay, so next thing do, let's plug your outlet in here. Works. Okay. Okay. If that works, your outlet here is plug. With the other one. Okay, that works. I'll just plug the other one. Let's break it. Let's see, plug in. Okay. Okay, what plug your outlet. Okay, this will work. Next, plug your outlet here. Oops. Okay, it's what to work. Okay, it was the other one here. The outlet this. Let's do the take other one. Oh. Okay. Yes. Okay, that's works. The bright the light. This will outlet.